Hi, so we're continuing our inspection of this 2022 Tesla Model Y, and as part of our inspection we're going to look underneath the car. Remember, this was a dealer fraud case, so we're looking for signs of prior damage. So come on under the car. With Teslas, most of the undercarriage, it is covered. Unlike other cars, they have way more coverage materials here. So you don't see that much, but on the flip side, on the positive side, if there was a crash, then these pieces would be broken and we'd see it. I don't see anything problematic here, but we're gonna go one by one and just in detail record and photograph underneath the car to see if we find something that stands out as a problem.